Gina from WTI. I love to start my day off with a smoothie, and I especially love putting protein powder in it that tastes good, is plant-based, and has superfoods in it so that I can get a dose of my vegetables just by drinking them. I was immediately intrigued by this protein powder from Owyn because of the flavor cookies and creamless. And this one is so good tasting but isn't so sweet. I hate it when I get a protein powder that is a different flavor but it's just so sickeningly sweet I can barely drink it. This has just the right amount of flavor and sweetness with no nasty aftertaste. I do appreciate so much their philosophy about using plants and not animal-based products, because I know that that's better for me and makes me feel good about using this protein powder. It blends up really well, and that's the way I've been enjoying it the most. I throw in a banana, some almond milk, some chia seeds, and some blackberries or blueberries, and then just enjoy it. It has a creamy texture that's not gritty, and I love that I've had zero stomach issues with using this protein powder. Not only do I use this in the morning, but I also use it as a meal replacement if I need something quick or after working out for protein. If you're looking for a high quality, good tasting protein powder, I really like this one from Owyn, and that's my point of view.